Here's how to enter the service menu of my uncle's TV. So before we start, service menus are parts of TVs that you would normally not touch. So those are those special modes that services open and change inside those settings. So first off, you're gonna want to turn the TV off. So not completely turn the TV off, but just put it on standby. And you will press this combination of buttons: display, 5, volume up, and the screen. So I'm gonna put down the phone so you can see the service menu from this perspective. Okay, so display, 5, volume up, screen. And after some time, the service menu would come up. See? Some textual, whatever, I don't know. And because I don't want to touch anything, and I don't have a normal remote control, I'm gonna turn the TV off. And that's how you enter the service menu. As I said, service menus are not something that you will touch.